So now I'm gonna show you my breeding season 2014. So this is my pair of yellow and an orange female. They have 4 eggs right now. This one is the second round. The first round they gave me 2 babies, which I already sold. I sold the babies. So down here you got a male orange and a yellow female. They have already second round as well, 3 eggs this time. They gave me 2 babies this first round, which is already sold as well. So down here I got my pair of Agatha red mosaic. That's the female, she's pretty, and that's the male. They have 4 eggs right now. It's their first round. They all fertilized. I just checked. Few of my friends, they say it's quite hard to breed in, but that's my first time. I got 4 eggs in the nest. So up here you got my red factors. Sorry, this is my red factors. At the moment they got 1 baby in the nest. They got 1 baby, pretty baby. Is this the only one who hatched? There is 2 eggs as well which didn't hatch. So they're very nice bird. It's still their first round as well. So down here I got my chocolate male. He just had a bath, that's why he looks a little bit wet. And that's his female, which is Agatha Opal brown, very clear color, really nice. So here in their nest they have 4 pretty babies. Still their first round. They have 4 pretty babies. Their color 2 is gonna be like the mom, very clear, and a 2 chocolates. Look the color for this one, pretty. Is already the ring as well, 2014 baby. I put the ring already on then. Soon they will just get out from the nest. So that's pretty good. Here I got my white yellow face mosaic. The male, very pretty, and his female is just in the nest. She got 4 eggs as well. This is her second round. I got the first round, I got 4 babies as well, and I all sold as well, which this year is getting very good for me, as I don't sell to make money. I just sell because I like the birds. So as I can't keep all the babies, I had to sell them, so which is a little bit sad for me. I wish I can have enough room so I keep all of them. So other side here you're gonna find my male, which is the best singer. He's a really good color male. So I'm having a very good season this year. I think 2014 I'm breeding more than 2013. This year I have more chicks. I have few chicks already. So hopefully the second round will be fine as well, same as the first. And I will do a quick update as well soon, as soon as I can. So that's my birds. That's the yellow pair. There's the orange male with the yellow female. Oh, she just both. There's